We can partake in the divine nature, but we have to escape and stay escaped from the corruption that is in the world through lust or desires of our flesh. And if this is going to happen, we have to stop conforming to this world and give our time to be transformed by renewing our mind with scriptures so that we can know the good, acceptable, and perfect will of God, because we need to do the will of God. If we are interested in abiding forever, then we have to understand that this is necessary because the world is passing away and the laws thereof. It will take doing the will of God for us to abide forever. Praise God.